Most people think all digital wallets do the same thing. Tap, pay, done. But here's the truth no one tells you. The wallet you choose can change how fast you pay, how secure your money is, and even how much cashback or rewards you actually earn. Here's the big promise for today. You're going to learn the 10 best digital wallets in the US for 2026, how they really compare in everyday use, and which ones actually make sense depending on your lifestyle. By the end, you'll know exactly which wallet fits you best without the confusion. Let's jump in. First, you have Apple Pay. This is one of the most widely used wallets because it is already built into iPhones. It's fast, secure, and works almost everywhere contactless payments are accepted. If you're someone like Jake who just wants simple tap to pay, this feels effortless. Next is Google Wallet. This is the Android equivalent and integrates deeply with Google services. It's strong for storing cards, transit passes, and even tickets. But here's the problem. Some users don't realize how powerful it becomes when linked across multiple Google services. Now here's where it gets interesting. PayPal is still one of the most trusted names for online payments. It's not just a wallet. It's a full payment ecosystem. If you shop online often, or send money internationally, this one still plays a major role. Moving on, Venmo is popular in the US for casual transfers. Think splitting dinner, rent, or weekend trips. It feels social, almost like a payment fee. But this is where most people miss the downside. It is great for personal use, but not always ideal for business transactions. Then you have Cash App, which many people use for fast transfers and even investing features. It's simple, but powerful if you want an all-in-one money app. For more privacy-focused users, wallets like Zelle are important because they connect directly to banks. Transfers are usually instant, but you don't get the same features like rewards or cards. Now let's step back. You also have options like Samsung Wallet, Walmart Pay, and other store-specific wallets that give cashback or loyalty perks. These are not always top of mind, but they can save money if you shop in specific ecosystems. Here's the key insight. The best wallet is not the most popular one. It is the one that matches how you spend money. If you value speed, Apple Pay or Google Wallet wins. If you care about peer-to-peer transfers, Venmo or Cash App makes more sense. If you want banking-level transfers, Zelle or PayPal becomes more useful. To wrap it up, digital wallets in 2026 are no longer just payment tools. They are financial hubs. Choosing the right one depends on your habits, not hype. If this helped you understand the differences clearly, hit like, drop a comment with your favorite wallet, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns like this.